वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस। आप में से कितने लोग सोचते हैं कि ये बैलेंस एस्टैब्लिश करना बहुत मुश्किल है, एंड मोर पर्टिकुलरली ड्यूरिंग कोविड दैट वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग रिमोटली, बाउंड्रीज और ज़्यादा ब्लर हो गई हैं. हाउ डू यू रियली डू दैट? Yeah. So in today's video, let's try to explore this work-life balance and what can we really do about it. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Also subscribe to the channel. 2 new videos here on the channel every day. So talking about work-life balance, I feel that what has really changed, if you really get into it, और अगर हम ये सोचें कि एक्चुअली क्या बदला है. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कोविड से पहले क्या था और अब क्या है, और कितना इम्पैक्ट कोविड का या वर्क फ्रॉम होम का रियली हुआ है. तो मैं ये एक स्पेसिफिक केस उठा रही हूँ कोविड का, बट दिस विल हेल्प अस एनालाइज वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इन टोटलिटी. आई फील पिकिंग फ्रॉम दिस, सो अगर हम कोविड से पहले का सिनेरियो देखें, जब सब लोग ऑफिस जाते थे, आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई, it was expected, like the top boss, he expected everybody to like sit beyond the working hours. It was more of a culture, and when I would get up and walk out, people would look at me like, oh, you're leaving? So people were used to staying back late and working beyond their work hours. और ये वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये हम इतना ज़्यादा सुनते थे, but that's what people were used to doing, and even when they reached home, I've known of people who would be on their laptop, who are fine answering calls, responding to mails, और जो भी नीड है वो करने को तैयार है. तो कहीं ना कहीं एक थॉट प्रोसेस ये था कि हाँ, कभी भी कुछ भी आ सकता है, एंड that was the culture, in the organization, and lot of organizations were operating from there. It's not one that I'm talking about, lot of them, right? So for sure work life balance एक डिबेट थी और बिल्कुल होगी for obvious reason, right? Fast forward now, कोविड है, घर से काम कर रहे हैं तो कोई बाउंड्रीज ही नहीं है. सबका कहना जो है, जो कंप्लेन होती है कि घर में ही ऑफिस है तो कोई बाउंड्रीज नहीं रह गई हैं. ये एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि कभी भी अवेलेबल होने चाहिए, रात को 10-11 बजे तक सब कुछ चलता रहता है. टू दैट माई क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट हैज चेंज्ड? आई मीन, पहले भी तो यही था. आप ऑफिस में थे या घर पे थे, आप वही कर रहे थे. You were just available, you were ready to work, and you were choosing to do that. आज again you're choosing to do that, because मैं ऐसे लोगों को भी जानती हूँ जो पहले अपनी बाउंड्रीज डिफाइन करते थे और उसके हिसाब से चलते थे, और मैं आज भी उन लोगों को जानती हूँ who are working remotely, working from home, and yet they have their boundaries. They are managing it and striking that balance. So that brings us to a very important point, that then what is work-life balance all about? I think it's all about the mindset. And where does that mindset come from? Again, going back to the core, it's your beliefs. So like I said, some people who strongly believe that you've got to sit and work and finish the stuff no matter what time it is, that's okay. And in organizations, typically it flows from the top. So if your boss, the leaders feel that no, this is how it's supposed to be, often the team gets sucked into it, and that's how it becomes a culture. So It's more about mindset, and it's coming from the beliefs that this is how it's supposed to be, right? Even now, during COVID, it's about the beliefs that this is how it's supposed to be. Even if I don't want it, मेरे लिए नहीं work कर रहा है, मेरे बच्चे हैं जिनका ध्यान मुझे रखना है, या मेरे और काम है, लेकिन मेरे बॉस ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, पूरी टीम वहां पर अवेलेबल है, तो आई एम सपोज टू बी देयर, राइट? सो इट्स मोर अबाउट दैट माइंडसेट. It is more about an individual, I would say, that where is he or she operating from, and that belief actually drives you, that mindset drives you. Now you may say, क्या करें, हमारे पास तो चॉइस है ही नहीं. अगर मीटिंग है तो आई एम सपोज टू बी देयर, बिकॉज अदरवाइज माई बॉस विल नॉट लाइक इट, आई कैन नॉट रिफ्यूज, राइट? And that's where comes the power of choice. How can you really exercise that choice? So that's one part of it. I'm going to come back to it. Other thing that I want to touch upon is, I was talking to this HR head of an organization, and she said about the current work scenario and her day starting early and ending at about 10, 11, and a young daughter that she has to take care of. She said it's no more about work-life balance, but it's about work-life integration. Now, that immediately shifts the whole perspective. जब work-life integration की हम बात करते हैं, then it again, I think the whole connotation changes, and I think then it's about ensuring that your work and the other aspects, your personal life, are in harmony. How do you integrate them in a manner such that they are in harmony? तो अगर वो boundaries नहीं रह गई हैं, can we accept it? Can we be okay about it? ठीक है, नहीं है, I'm at home or I'm at my workplace in the other mode, or it's a hybrid mode, whatever it is, irrespective, can I figure out how to integrate the two? So which means there is a meeting at 9:30 p.m. or 10 p.m. I'm okay with that, provided I'm really okay. I'm okay with that, because then I take 2 hours off during the day, or I manage that me time in between, or that kids time in between, and I'm fine. It's about integrating the two. It happens with me sometimes where, and a lot of times I get in that guilt mode also. So I feel I a lot of times draw that line that, post 7 p.m. I'm not going to work. And then I realize there are some meetings, sessions, and sometimes I get this urge, and I'm like, no, I want to work. And I come down to my office at even 9:30 p.m. and I'm here till 10:30 or 11. And I feel guilty. What am I doing? But how about being okay with a 9:30 or a 10:30? Because then I manage or balance it out with some other hours that I keep for myself. So during the day, I watched my series or read my book, taken time out to be with my daughter maybe, or chatted with my friends, and I've balanced it somewhere. So being at home, if I can really look at that integration to be able to bring that harmony in different areas, work hai, personal life hai, or jo bhi areas hain, how can I bring in that harmony? And that has more to do with the whole belief system. मेरे हिसाब से I have to be available all the time. My belief is I cannot say no, right? If they expect me to be there right from, let's say, 9 a.m. in the morning until 9 p.m., there's no way I can say no. That's what my job demands. My question is that true? Do you really not have a choice there? And how can you work around, if you don't really have a choice there, then you really need to look into where is that the challenge. Maybe as a leader, if you are the leader, then probably you need to really look at there is some, I would say, um, efficiency issue, if I really have to use that term, because if that balance is not there, or if you're not giving the space to bring about that harmony for yourself or for the team members, then it's going to backfire for sure. It is not sustainable, is what I want to say. So if something works for somebody, beautiful. If you think that gives you the push, you feel amazing, आपको मजा आता है 9 to 9 and nothing works for you, amazing, why not? But if you think you need those boundaries, you need that little time, and then it's all about making it work. It's all about how do you integrate. It's about figuring out for yourself. अपने लिए figure out करना is what it is. But just getting to be okay with it. That अगर अब ये boundaries या timelines blur हो रही हैं and overlaps हो रहे हैं, it's fine. If that's the need, can I work around that? Can I work around my needs around that? But by all means, कोविड के पहले की बात करें चाहे अभी की बात करें, ignoring our needs, it is what leads to the whole debate, I feel. Why does this need to discuss work-life balance come in? Because कहीं पे वो harmony नहीं है, वो balance disbalance हो रहा है, तो उसका रीजन यही है कि हम अपनी नीड्स को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. What do I really want? I'm ignoring and I'm just getting in that domain of supposed to. I'm supposed to be doing this. So look at the beliefs. That's what is required, and a shift there is needed. And making those choices, getting things managed around that, making it work, choosing accordingly is what needs to be done around that. And it can be done for sure. I know of so many people, so many leaders, executives who are really doing that. So stop blaming it on COVID. Prior to this, post this, you'll always have people who are managing it beautifully and people who are maybe not able to manage. And I think it's time to turn inwards and look at what stops you, what needs to change here to really get that balance. Hope you found this meaningful and you were able to really get the essence of what I was trying to say. Do hit the like button if you did and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.